Hello students, welcome back to the video series of Python programming. I am your instructor Shweta Yagnik, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So the agenda for today's video session is to learn Python modules. So till now, we have learned how to define a function. We have learned how to add two numbers using a function and multiplication and onwards. We have also seen how to find out factorial using recursion. We have also learned how to define lambdas, or also called as anonymous function. Right, but now think about a situation where you are working on a project. I mean a complex large project which consists of many functionalities and maybe 1,000 lines of code. Now this is where the problem starts, where you need to manage the code as well as difficult becomes the debugging. So that's where the concept of module comes into picture. Instead of writing a one big program into a file, let us break it down into small parts. Okay, Python module provides us the flexibility to break down our work and organize in a logical way. So now you are working on a software which has features A, B, C and D. So before even writing a code, you will break it down into modules such that similar features will be in a same module, right? So you may be tempted to decompose it into A, B, one module and C, D. Later on you felt that even it can be decomposed further. So it has separated A, B, C and D, 4 different modules. Now, so what is the advantage of breaking down into module? First, if you make any changes into A, it will not affect rest of the modules if you are not using tight coupling, right? The second advantage may be reusability. Suppose later on in future you are working on a project where it is having similar functionalities like A, B, G, P. Okay, G and P are new features added to that particular project, but A and B are the similar modules that you have already used before. So these two modules you can reuse here. Can we use the concept of module in our project? Yes, of course. We are having two types of module. One is user defined module that we are going to define, and second is inbuilt modules that are readily available like sys, IO, time, math. Okay, we are going to see shortly how to use this math module. Python provides two ways to import a module. First, import module, and second, from import module. So firstly, we are going to see how to use import module. If we want all the functionalities of a module in our namespace, then we are going to see import module. Okay, and the syntax for the import module is import module 1, module 2, module 3 and onwards. That means we can import multiple modules in a single line. Now second, from import module. Now if we don't want to have all the functionalities of a specific module in our namespace, we just want to use 1 or 2 or maybe 3 functionalities of that module, then we can go for from module import name 1, name 2, name 3. Here name 1, name 2 and name 3 specifies the name of maybe variable, functions, classes, etc. So these are the only features imported from that module. So now we are going to see how to use inbuilt math module practically. So now here in the code I want to print the value of pi. So what I am supposed to write? Print pi. Okay. If I write just this much, it is going to give me name error because pi is not known. So in order to resolve this, I need to import math module which is inbuilt. Okay, and this math module is having this attribute called pi, math dot. If you write dot operator, you are able to see these many operations are supported. So from that I just want to use right now pi. Import math will include all the features of math. Okay, so now it is giving me perfect value of pi, that is 3.14. You can check it there. Now I don't want to include all the features of math, so that I need to use from math import just pi. Okay, I don't want other features, so I don't want to make my module very heavy. So here I am not supposed to use now dot operator, and if I run the code, it is giving me same output. If I want to change a little bit, and from math import everything, if I want to import everything, okay, I can write here star. So along with this print pi, I may use factorial, okay, features of the math function. And I want to find the factorial of 5. Let's execute the code and see. Yes, so it is giving me both the features output properly. Now, if I want to define my own module, that is user defined module, what am I supposed to do? Go over here, right click, new and file, and here give some specific name, cal1, okay, .py. This is name of my module. So in this file, I'll be defining 2 or 3 functions. So define add to add 2 variables, a comma b, colon, and indentation is given here, and return a plus b. This is my first function of this module. Now again I want to define one more function, that is multiplication, and here again I will be passing 2 variables, 2 parameters, return a multiply by b. So this is what I want. Now if I want to use this in my function, okay, so I need to use, first of all I'll clean this. I'll be using import cal1, okay, and now print add, this is the function, okay, cal1 dot add. You can see here the add function, a, that is 2 and 3, these 2 parameters I am passing. Now I also want print cal1, and I just want to explore with mul function. So here I'll be passing 4 multiply by 2. So now I execute the code and see 5 is the first answer, that is 3 plus 2, and here 4 multiply by 2 is answer 8. So that's it for this session. We have seen what is module, how to define user defined module, how to use inbuilt modules, right? If you are having any doubt, you can contact me or write in a comment section. I will try to resolve your doubts as soon as possible. See you soon in next session. Till then, happy learning.